Another pump of approximately 13 to 15%. Guys, check this out. Today we're gonna talk about Pepe, guys. And first of all, guys, make sure to like and to subscribe to this channel. Also, guys, if you wanna trade with me together, we have down below Bybit. We have still $100,000 in prizes with Bybit. So yeah, check them out if you're not already there. And I will now stick to this video here, guys. As you can see on this daily chart, we have the daily chart for Pepe. We had our big support down here. You know, we had, for me, this was a huge, you could say double to triple bottom. First of all, you know, I was talking about this also weeks ago. We had this huge wick, the first bottom, the first low, then we had a higher low, and then we had also another low, you know, and this was a great sign for me to get into some Pepe trades here. Right now I'm not in a trade, but guys, if you're in a trade, let me know, because this was huge. Over the night we saw, as I said, 13 to 15%, and now you can also see it right now that my next resistance, my next point where I'm expecting Pepe to go is right here. So this would be this badge here, you know, back in July, where Pepe had this high here. This is what I'm expecting. Basically, the badge, you could maybe say the start of the bottom, so you know, the daily low or maybe the daily high, but I'm expecting the daily low first of all to get some reactions from here. So that's why, yeah, this is the point where I'm, you know, maybe considering to get into some short positions, you know, in the short term, because on the bigger picture, on a daily chart, you can see that it's right now getting huge momentum here with the RSI and the MACD. You know, I'm expecting a last, or let's say a big wick to the upside, and then possibly a rejection for Pepe, because this was a pump from the bottom, from here. Let's take the wick from here to here, 60%, right? This was a 60% over 2 weeks, right? So yeah, we need to take some profits if you're in a trade. And let's get into some smaller time frames. Let's get into the 1 hour time frame, and also the same stuff here, guys. Check the RSI. This is huge, and it's really overbought right now. It's really overbought, but I would not short this right now. I would consider to maybe short, as I said, at this point here. So now let's check the 4 hour time frame. This is the most important part. Yeah, you can clearly see, as I told you, the low, the higher lows, and then, you know, we're breaking the resistance here like that, right? Over the days, over the nights. Guys, what I'm seeing here over the last days is that altcoins are pumping over the night. So you know, I'm really happy to see that, because on the day we're not seeing that much of, you know, volume or, you know, traction, but over the night it's going really crazy here. So yeah, let me know what you are thinking about Pepe, and if you're in a trade, if you want to buy it right now. So yeah, we have still room. This would be another pump of 6 to 10%, depends where you get in, but be really careful here and do your own research. Don't listen, you know, to anybody. And yeah, Bitcoin is doing quite the same, you know. We have still room to our next resistance, to 67,000, to our resistance line. You know, check this out here from the top. It's coming from the top. So yeah, approximately 67,000. So that's why we have still room for the altcoins. Yeah, check Bybit out, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.